Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the 1099 NEC form, a crucial document for freelancers, independent contractors, and businesses that hire them. In this tutorial, we will break down the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to help you understand what a 1099 NEC form is and how it works. First, let's start with the basics. The 1099 NEC form is a type of information return that reports non-employee compensation, which includes payments made to freelancers, independent contractors, and other non-employees. The NEC stands for non-employee compensation, which is a type of income that is not subject to withholding taxes. The 1099 NEC form is typically used by businesses to report payments made to non-employees who have earned more than $600 in a calendar year. This form is usually filed with the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, by January 31st of each year. The recipient of the form, usually the freelancer or independent contractor, will receive a copy of the 1099 NEC form by January 31st, which they will use to report their income on their tax return. Now, let's look at some practical examples. Suppose you are a freelance writer who earned $10,000 from a client in a calendar year. The client will need to file a 1099 NEC form with the IRS, reporting the $10,000 in non-employee compensation. You, as the recipient, will receive a copy of the 1099 NEC form, which you will use to report the income on your tax return. It's essential to note that the 1099 NEC form is not just for freelancers and independent contractors. Any business that hires non-employees, such as consultants, attorneys, or medical professionals, may need to file this form. Additionally, the 1099 NEC form is not limited to cash payments. It can also include other types of compensation, such as goods, services, or stock options. To ensure compliance with IRS regulations, it's crucial to follow best practices when filing the 1099 NEC form. This includes verifying the recipient's tax identification number, accurately reporting the amount of non-employee compensation, and filing the form on time. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in penalties and fines. In conclusion, the 1099 NEC form is a critical document for reporting non-employee compensation. By understanding the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices outlined in this guide, you can ensure compliance with IRS regulations and avoid potential penalties. Remember to verify recipient information, accurately report compensation, and file the form on time to maintain a smooth and efficient tax filing process.